Hi, I'm Garrett,
And I'm Julian.
and we work for the Inland Empire Resource Conservation District.
And today we're here at Lewis Rubidoux Parkland and Pecan Grove, or LRPPG. Let's learn how to install native plants.
So what we got right here today is California buckwheat, also known as Eriogonum fasciculatum.
IRCD has 2 nurseries where we grow all of our native plants to be used for habitat enhancement, restoration, and conservation projects throughout our entire district.
It's currently fall. Fall and winter are the best times to do plantings, but any time of the year can be done as long as you water them efficiently.
The first thing you want to do is pick the right spot for your plant. IRCD will already have picked the appropriate spot during volunteer events, but for your own home, when you pick out a spot, please consider the sun, water, and space required for that plant. So we are about to plant. So this area, Garrett, looks pretty good. But first we need to rake out the area and clear it. So always wear your gloves when doing this. Awesome, thank you, Garrett. Okay, so we're about to start digging. It's important to note that when you dig, you want to have it as twice as wide and just as deep as your pot. Okay, so now that we have the hole, we're gonna put a little bit of water in there. It should help moisten the area and assist with the root ball. So when the roots want to travel, they won't have all this compaction. And then after that, we're gonna backfill a little bit of soil. This.
Now that you've done that, you're going to want to add a little bit of this soil in order to backfill. This soil is softer, allowing the roots of the plant to more easily translocate into the ground.
So now that we have all that done, we're gonna put this wire mesh in. This wire mesh is really important because we have a lot of critters underground that love eating the roots. So we're gonna put this to size. Okay. Okay. So it's gonna be around here. Sounds good. And then we're gonna start cutting. That's really nice actually.
When pulling the plant out, you want to be gentle.
Start talking. Such a pretty. All right, now that we have the plant ready to go, we're gonna take all the soil that we previously took out and we're gonna put it back in, making sure to compact it, and then we're gonna create a basin around it. Make sure that when you're putting the soil back in that you hold on to the wire. Basin. You want to put some water in now? All right, so we got this one done. We have a bunch more to do, but we're so thankful for you guys to watch our video. And
Thanks for watching.
yeah, bye. Okay, this is exactly what not to do when planting a plant. Okay, this looks good, I guess, whatever. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's fine. Like, I don't know. What kind of plant are we gonna do? Garrett?
Who are you?
Well, okay. Let me just grab it. Keep going. I think. I don't know. What's this wire over here? We have to use that or like what? Okay. That sounds. I mean, if you're ready. Get the wire. Hold on. I need it. That's probably good. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I like that.